Why are you putting ice on it?
The ice helps loosen the grime and speeds up the reaction.
But I can see you're in a hurry. Now we do it high-tech.
This is exactly why Mom does not need another stronger cleaner. She needs a smarter one. Look at the way that high heat stream gets straight into the grout lines, corners, and build up around the bathroom where dirt loves to hide. You can literally see it breaking down the mess without that harsh chemical smell in her face and without her having to keep scrubbing by hand. It is faster, easier, and way gentler on the person doing the cleaning. When one tool can help her deep clean like this with less effort and less mess, it just makes sense. Tap the cart now and bring home the cleaner that makes the job easier from the first use.
Why are you putting ice on it?
The ice helps loosen